In this video, I'm going to show you how to play the chords and bass notes in the original key for Waymaker by Michael W. Smith. Okay, I got the recording loaded up here, and I'm going to first demonstrate we just played 4 chords there. We played E, B, F sharp, and G sharp minor. Those are the only 4 chords that you have to learn for this song, so it's really easy. Okay, let's go over the right hand first. Our first chord is going to be an E, which uses G sharp, B, and E. And by the way, this is middle C on my keyboard. So that's E, and then we go to B, which is played with F sharp, B, and D sharp. And then the next chord is going to be F sharp. This is all black keys. It's F sharp, A sharp, C sharp. And then the last chord, G sharp minor, is going to be G sharp, B, and D sharp. So really easy, just those 4. And then now let's switch to the left hand. For each chord name, I'm just playing octaves, meaning I'm playing an E with my thumb and an E with my 5th finger. E, B, F sharp, and G sharp. Now if octaves is too tricky for you, you're not quite used to doing that, you can just play one of the notes and just do right here, E, B, F sharp, and G sharp. Either way works just fine and it'll sound professional either way you do it. Now next I want to show you a demonstration of later on when the song gets a little bit louder. The question might be, how do you play along with it the way they do? Well, I'm just going to switch to a quarter note pulse on the right hand, or just playing the chords like this. So instead of just holding the chord like in the beginning, now I'm going to play it to the beat along with it. And then my left hand, if I'm playing octaves, I can kind of simulate what the drums are doing, and it gives it that feel that you want to have. Just like the recording. I think this is the second chorus in the song. Here we go. They add one F sharp in there. Only in the chorus. Here's the extra F sharp right here, and then everything repeats after that. So that's one technique how you can make it a little bit more active in the right hand, and then also in the left hand. It's up to you how you do it. When I first listen to the recording and try to put it all together, if I'm going to sing along with that, or if somebody else is going to sing along with me, and I want it to sound like the radio version, I'm listening for what the drums and the bass guitar are doing. Finish this video by just covering the hook. Maybe you have all that, and now you want to add the hook of the song, which is the thing the lead guitar does at the beginning. Maybe some keyboards too. Let me just show you what's happening there. So that was just the single notes. If I wanted to play along with a singer, or if I want to sing it and I want that hook in there and I don't have a guitar player, then you just have to figure out a way to put all 3 of these things together. The bass notes, the chords, and that hook at the beginning. So if I'm going to do that, trying to match the recording exactly so it's familiar to the audience, then here's how I would add that. And then the hook's over, so now I just play the chords. So I hope that was helpful for all of you. If you have any questions, feel free to comment or send a message, and we'll be glad to help.